40 million rides every single day, and it runs like clockwork. Tokyo's rail network is the busiest on Earth. Over 100 rail lines, 2,000 stations, and a punctuality record that puts the rest of the world to shame. This is your complete guide to navigating every train, bus, and IC card in the city, so you never waste a yen or a minute. Tokyo's public transport moves over 40 million passengers every single day, more than the entire population of Canada. The network combines 9 Tokyo Metro lines, for Toei subway lines, and dozens of JR East and private railway routes, all woven together into one of the most efficient systems ever built. Trains arrive within seconds of schedule. The average delay across the entire network? Under 1 minute per year. And unlike many major cities, you can get virtually anywhere, from Shibuya's neon crossings to quiet temples in the suburbs, without ever needing a car. But with multiple operators and overlapping routes, it can feel overwhelming at first. The key is understanding 3 things: your IC card, the metro system, and the JR network. Before you ride anything in Tokyo, you need an IC card. Think of it as your universal key to the city. The 2 main cards are Suica, issued by JR East, and PASMO, from Tokyo Metro and Toei. They work identically. Tap on, tap off, and the correct fare is deducted automatically. You can also use them at convenience stores, vending machines, and even restaurants. For tourists, the welcome Suica is the best option. Number 500 yen deposit. It works on every train and bus in Tokyo, and you can buy one at Narita or Haneda Airport the moment you land. It expires after 28 days, which is perfect for any trip. Load it with 2,000 to 3,000 yen to start, enough for 2 to 3 days of moderate travel. When your balance runs low, top up at any station kiosk or convenience store. 1 card, every train, every bus, every vending machine. Quick tip: if you have an iPhone, set up mobile Suica in your Apple Wallet before you even land. You can skip the line at the airport entirely. The Tokyo Metro is the backbone of the city. 9 color-coded lines covering over 180 stations across central Tokyo. Add the 4 Toei subway lines, and you have 13 subway lines reaching every major district. Each line has a distinct color and letter code. The Ginza line is orange, marked G. The Marunouchi line is red, marked M. Station numbers follow a simple format. G09 for Shibuya on the Ginza line, for example. This numbering system means you don't need to read Japanese. Just match the letter, follow the number, and count your stops. Fares start at 180 yen for short trips and top out around 330 yen for longer rides. With an IC card, you don't need to calculate anything. Just tap and go. Quick tip: Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway are separate operators. A trip crossing between them costs more than staying on one network. When possible, plan your route within a single system. Google Maps handles this automatically. The other half of Tokyo's rail puzzle belongs to JR East, Japan Railways. And the single most useful JR line is the Yamanote. It's a 30-station loop that circles central Tokyo, connecting the biggest hubs: Tokyo Station, Shibuya, Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, Ueno, and Akihabara. If your destination is on the Yamanote, and many are, this is the fastest and simplest option. Trains arrive every 2 to 3 minutes during peak hours. A full loop takes about 60 minutes, so you're never more than 30 minutes from anywhere on the circle. Beyond the Yamanote, JR operates the Chua line to western Tokyo, the Kiintohoku line running north-south, and the Sobu line crossing east-west. JR fares start at 150 yen. And if you have a Japan Rail Pass, all JR lines in Tokyo are included, making the Yamanote essentially free. Quick tip: the Yamanote runs in 2 directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. If your station is more than halfway around the loop, switch direction. It saves you 20 minutes. Tokyo's bus network fills in the gaps between rail stations. Toei buses cover most of central Tokyo with a flat fare of 210 yen per ride. Board from the front door, tap your IC card on the reader, and exit from the rear. Routes are displayed in both Japanese and English at most major stops. Buses are most useful in areas where metro stations are spread apart, like parts of Roppongi, the waterfront, or residential neighborhoods. For most tourists, the train network is so comprehensive that you may never need a bus. The one exception is the waterfront area around Odaiba, where the Yurikamome automated train runs on elevated tracks with incredible bay views. No guide to Tokyo transport is complete without the Shinkansen. Japan's bullet train connects Tokyo to most of the country at speeds up to 320 kilometers per hour, or about 200 miles per hour. From Tokyo Station, you can reach Kyoto in 2 hours and 15 minutes, Osaka in 2 hours and 30 minutes, and Hiroshima in under 4 hours. A one-way ticket to Kyoto costs around 14,170 yen, roughly $95. But here's where the Japan Rail Pass becomes essential. That 7-day pass at 50,000 yen covers unlimited Shinkansen rides on the Hikari and Kodama services. Even a single round trip to Kyoto nearly pays for itself. Reservations are free with the pass, and you can book at any JR ticket counter. If you're doing day trips, the Shinkansen turns Tokyo into a base camp for half of Japan. Getting from the airport to central Tokyo is easier than you'd expect. Starting with Narita, the main international gateway about 60 kilometers east of the city. The Narita Express, known as NEX, takes about 60 minutes to Tokyo Station and costs 3,250 yen. It connects directly to the JR network, so you can transfer to the Yamanote without leaving the station. The Kisi Skyliner is slightly faster, 36 minutes to Nippuri and 41 minutes to Ueno, for 2,520 yen. From Ueno, you're on the metro in minutes. For budget travelers, the Kisi Access Express takes about 80 minutes to Asakusa for just 1,290 yen. Now for Haneda, Tokyo's other airport just 15 kilometers from the city center. The Tokyo monorail reaches Hamamatsucho in 13 minutes for about 500 yen. Or take the Kikyu line to Shinagawa in 11 minutes for around 300 yen. Either way, you're in central Tokyo in under 20 minutes. Quick tip: if you're landing at Narita after 9 p.m., the last NEX leaves around 9:44 p.m. Miss it, and you're looking at a slow bus ride or a 30,000 yen taxi. Plan accordingly. Now for saving money and blending in. The Tokyo subway ticket gives unlimited rides on all Metro and Toei lines. A 24-hour pass costs 800 yen. 48 hours is 1,200, and 72 hours is just 1,500. For context, 3 separate Metro rides can easily cost 600 yen, so the day pass pays for itself fast. You can buy one at the airport or selected BIC camera stores. 4-day trips. The Japan Rail Pass covers all JR lines nationwide, including the Shinkansen. A 7-day pass costs 50,000 yen. A round-trip Shinkansen to Kyoto alone costs about 28,000, so the math works fast. As for etiquette, keep it simple. No phone calls on the train. Stand on the left side of escalators in Tokyo, the right side is for walking. Women-only cars are marked with pink signs during morning rush, from about 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. And eating on local trains is considered rude, though bento boxes on the Shinkansen are practically a tradition. Last trains run around midnight. First trains start at 5 a.m. Quick tip: missed the last train? Manga cafes have private booths with reclining seats for about 1,500 yen until morning. It's a uniquely Japanese solution and honestly not a bad experience. That's everything you need to navigate Tokyo like a local. Are you Team Metro or Team Yamanote? Drop your answer in the comments. And subscribe for more data-driven travel guides every week.